Karen. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make these mushrooms. They are very easy to make and fun to make. Enjoy the video. You need pepper, pencil, Let's make the pattern. So here, draw a shape like this. And use this one. This is 10 centimeters. And this is 11 centimeter. Okay, and now go ahead and cut. Felt fabric, pin here, and cut. I'm using scrap fabric. Cut this piece on fold. Cut this piece on fold. Okay, put this aside. Some white yarn and a big needle. Make a knot. From behind. Like that, and what we are doing is we're making knots. Okay, one more time. Okay, so go ahead and do that as many times as you can. Okay, it's done. So here at the back, secure the thread. Take this one, remove the curtain. Take your needle and thread, white thread. Here. Okay, do this. Okay, let's do a blanket stitch. I'm finishing up with brown thread. I just realized that I don't have any white thread anymore in this house. Okay, take this. Remove the pins. Let's do a back stitch. Okay, so now do another line going this way, this way, this way. Okay, it's done. So now take this and put it here. And like that. Let's do a blanket stitch again. Okay, here it is. So when you get to this point, take your stuffing, insert, okay, and close up. And cut. And do a running stitch. Okay, it's done. So now take your stuffing and insert. It's done. So now pull. Okay, so now let's glue gun it. Okay, it's done. So now here put your needle. Okay. Just indent it like that. And one more time from here. Like that. Okay, our mushroom is done. So I went ahead and made these other two. Okay, so now take a cardboard box and draw a circle. And cut. This one is 11 centimeters in diameter. Done. Take your glue gun